Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope your peoples are pretty fine. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today we will see in this video. Today you will see in this video 30 plus all modern laces, long maxi dresses designs, mother of the bride, long maxi dresses ideas in 2023. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collections of my channel. You will see in these videos modern, mother of the bride, long maxi dresses designs, office wear, party wear and evening wear, unique different dresses ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. And enjoy new all outstanding different mother of the bride, long maxi dresses designs. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please download it my videos. And you like this one modern dresses design, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. So dear viewers, you will see new all attractive different dresses design. So viewers, visit my YouTube channel. I have uploaded laces, long maxi dresses, silk long maxi dresses, mother of the bride, boutique designs, blouses with skirts designs, two-piece dresses designs. So dear viewers, please visit my YouTube channel, check the all videos, check the playlist videos and get amazing ideas of modern mother of the bride, long maxi dresses designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoying all outstanding different dresses designs. So I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Marvelous and stylish you will see in this videos, attractive laces and chiffon plain long maxi dresses designs, mother of the bride boutique designs. So lovely viewers,